Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I want to talk about how to make passive income with forex trading. I understand that passive income is something we all like to make, considering the fact that with the economy situation currently, we need extra source of income. I don't know about you, but I think many people I've interacted with will need extra source of income to meet up with the daily increase in cost of living. So that's what we want to talk about today, how you can make passive income with forex trading. So welcome on board. I encourage you to watch this video to the end because I have a promo offer I know you will not want to miss. So please watch the video to the end so that you can get access to the promo offer I'll be giving you. So let's get started. Now, first of all, my name is Mentor Sam. That's my picture here. I'm a forex analyst. I'm a forex educator. I train people on forex. So these are some of my trainings I've done and some of my seminar I've done in some states in Nigeria here. If you attended any of this seminar, probably you must have seen me speak or present about forex. So however, I want to be sharing with you some of my experience in close to 10 years in this industry on how you can make passive income for yourself. Now let's just start with what the forex is. Foreign exchange. Okay, it's just an acronym for foreign exchange, and it's a global market for exchanging national currencies. So basically we trade currencies against each other in the forex market. For example, we have Euro USD. This is more like Euro versus USD. So you're trying to if you buy the euro, you're trying to sell the USD. If you sell the euro, you're buying the USD. So basically what you're just trying to do is that if you're expecting the euro to appreciate in value, you buy this currency, and as the euro keep appreciating, the USD is depreciating in value, and because you bought into this country or into this currency pair, you'll make profit. It goes the other way around. If you sell this currency pair, you're also buying this, and as this currency pair loses its value, what you bought is actually appreciating in value, and you also make profit. Okay, so you can make profit buying and selling. So basically what we do in the forex market is that we buy and sell currency pairs. Okay, I know this is just like a tip of how complex the whole stuff is, but I'll be talking about my training later on and how you can get an in-depth knowledge on how this works. So but basically for now, it's just, if in case you're a newbie, it's just it may suffice to just know that forex has to do with buying and selling currencies online. Okay, so let's go to mistakes I see people make in the forex business. Okay, now the number one mistake I see people make in the forex business is that they don't get proper knowledge. In case probably you're listening and you're a new trader, or you're trying to come into the industry, or you're an existing trader, I see a lot of persons that make these mistakes over and over. Okay, for you to be able to succeed in this business, number one, you need to learn the business properly, and in learning the business you need to get a coach, you need to get a mentor, you need to get well schooled and well tutored. So the second mistakes I see a lot of persons make is that they easily part away with their money and they give others their money to trade for them. Now this is a business you can learn and do yourself. Come on, there's no need to give someone money to trade for you, because the person you're trying to give your money to, the person doesn't have two heads. Okay, so it's something you can easily learn for yourself, apply the knowledge and trade for yourself. So I get a lot of complaints, a lot of persons during my course of consultation. For many persons, I meet a lot of people that they give the people their money to trade, and at the end of the day it end up being a sad story. Probably they lost their money, or many of them just purposely do away with their hard-earned money, and you don't want to fall a victim of this. So the business is not something you cannot learn. It's something that you can learn. As long as you can operate your phone, you can operate a laptop, you can learn how to trade forex, honestly. So giving other people money to trade is one mistake I see people make. Now, number three, falling prey to investment scheme. The last few years, this has been very popular when some companies will ask you for money that they want to invest in forex, that they'll give you a certain percentage, and it's been proven time after time that these companies, they don't last. Okay, so don't fall prey to investment scheme. I don't want to mention names, but probably if you've been in the forest industry for probably close to 2-3 years, you must have had experience with some of these guys. So the business is a business you can do. I prefer you put in your money yourself, you manage your money. Honestly, if you lose your money, you know definitely you lost your money. If you gain, then you can manage your gain. Okay, so it's not really nice giving your money to other people, and at the end of the day you can't access your funds when you want to access them. So this is another mistake I see people make in the forex business. Now, the other mistake is greed and unrealistic expectation. A lot of person thinks the forex business is a business where you put in $100 and you start getting $100 every day. It doesn't work like that. It's a business, and you should work with monthly profit target. Okay, and also you should expect that there will be some downtime. Okay, there will be some losses. Okay, it's a business that has to do with profit and loss. So if anybody is telling you that in forex you don't make loss, that's a lie. Okay, so but if you know what you're doing, your profit is supposed to exceed your losses. Okay, but no, come on, there's no need to be greedy in this business. Okay, and no need to set unrealistic expectation. Your investment actually determines what you will make every day or every month. Okay, so you just have to be realistic if you want to succeed in this business. Number one, understand that there is loss is a business of gain and loss. The number two, understand that for you to make something huge, if you want to make huge returns, then you need huge investment. Because I hear a lot of people, they put in $1,000 and they want to be making $800 come on every day, or $500 every day. That's not realistic. Come on, there's no business that can actually do that for you. Okay, why it may be possible in forex, but at the end of the day you are taking huge risk and you may end up losing all your capital. So these are some of the mistakes I see people make in the forex business. Now let's talk about how to trade forex. Now, if you're new or you're already a trader, then there are two ways that you can actually do the business of forex. Okay, the first way is what I call manual trading. Okay, while the second way, the method is called automated trading. So I will explain both of them. Let's start with manual trading. Now, what is manual trading? It simply means involves you trading yourself. So manual trading involves you taking trades yourself. So for manual trade, you have to learn the business, okay, get a strategy, apply money management. So which means you are buying and selling those currencies yourself. You need to know when to buy a currency. You also need to know when to sell a currency, and that involves you having a strategy. Probably you have to know what is a technical analysis, you have to know what is fundamental analysis, you have to know what news affect currency pairs, when are these news released. You need to know what are candlesticks, how their shapes affect price. You need to know what is a trend. So these are all you need. So for you to be a very effective manual trader, you need proper knowledge. Remember when I talked about knowledge is very important to succeed in this business. Now, apart from having a strategy and money management, in the manual trading, you need to master emotions and psychology of trading. Now, this is where a lot of persons they miss it. Okay, you can have good strategy, but if you don't master your emotion, okay, like the business is a business that you can be tempted to want to make 100% return a day. It is possible, but it simply means you are risking too much. So sometimes you need to kind of hold back that greed, because that's greed. trying to make you want to make more, set unrealistic target, okay, then you have to deal with fear of trading and a lot of other stuff that has to do with trading. So you have to master emotion and psychology of trading. Then, like I always recommend, you have to demo trade till you feel confident. So if you're learning the business and you want to go into manual trading, now you need demo trading. Demo simply means demonstration, okay, so it's just like a real market scenario. You practice there. The only difference is that it's not real money, you can't withdraw the money, okay, so but you can test your strategy, you can test your skills, you can test your money management there, okay. So but the only challenge I see with demo is that sometimes because there's no emotions there, okay, there's no emotion because it doesn't really involve real money, but you can also test your strategy and money management here. But for to master emotion and psychology, honestly, you need to trade real money, okay, to be able to tell how well you are in terms of your emotion and um, psychology, okay. So demo trading. Then generally I feel it takes longer time to master the manual trading and be consistent. This is what I've been doing for years. I've been trading for close to 10 years. I can compare when I started till now. So it takes time to be consistent. I'm not trying to say you have to do 10 years, okay. If I mentor you now because you have someone that have the experience in the market, then your learning curve is going to be shorter, okay. I'm just trying to say that it's not something you can jump today and you can start profiting today, but sometimes to master emotional psychology it takes time, okay. So that's what I say about manual trading. So in case you want to be a manual trader, okay, these are what you need to put into consideration. Now you need a strategy, money management, you need to demo trading to master your emotional psychology. Then you need to give it time, you need to practice, okay, for you to be successful in this. And in case you're totally new, please, my number will be somewhere below this video. You can chat me up, you can call me, I can send you my introduction to Forex. I also have a full course. You can, if you want me to mentor you, if you want me to train you, have one-on-one training, you can also just chat me up. Let me know if you want to be a manual trader. I will get back to you on everything you need to succeed in this business. So let's talk about automated trading. So automated trading simply means using Forex bot, robot, or call them EA, okay. So Forex robot, expert advisor, they do the trading for you. So that's automated trading. So this no emotion or market psychology. So sorry, this is market, not a marker, it's a typo. So no emotion or market psychology is involved in the robot trading for you. So the robot handles that, all right. So it's a consistent profit even for new traders. So if you're a new trader now, you're trying to get into the business, like I said, manual trading, to take time for you to get that consistency. But with robot, once you set it up, the robot just start trading for you, and you can start making profit for yourself even while you are still learning. In case, because I still recommend everybody to still be a manual trader, fine, but the automated trading can still be making money for you while you are learning to be a manual trader. So for automated trading, you just need to know a little basics on the forex trading. So it's something very simple, just how to set up the robot, how to close trade, and how to just do some simple manual management. So I have videos that probably just put you through on these basics, okay. So you don't need to learn the details on how basically to analyze strategy and other stuff. You just need to know how to do some simple things with your MT4 chart. So that's basically what you need for automated trading. Like I said, you make consistent profit, usually from 5% to 30% monthly or more, depending on your risk appetite. So one thing you should understand in this business, like I said, there are risks involved, and the higher the profit you are trying to make, the higher you're increasing your risk, okay. So we have 5 to 30% monthly. Some can even go for 50%, okay. Some can go for 100%, but you're trying to make 100% a month. Wow, that's huge. That's you giving the robot too much access to trade your account. So on a very bad day, it could be dangerous to your capital. So that's basically automated trading. Now let me talk about the fastest way to make profit from the forex market today. My recommended method, or what I just feel, if you're a newbie, you want to go into the business, the best way you can start making profit today is automated trading. Honestly, over the years, we've been able to fine tune this, because we discovered that a lot of persons, they just want to make passive income. They don't want to just really it's not something they want to be trading manually. They don't want to be listening to news. They want to be following charts. They just want to have a system that could be bringing some spare cash every month for them. Then you're welcome on board. Automated trading is something that you could consider. Okay, now let's see what you need to set up your automated trading. Number one, you need to create and fund your forex account. We recommend a minimum of $500 capital. Okay, now a lot of persons will ask, can't I put $100? Okay, well, you can, but to me, I feel it's too small. Because let's use an example. If you put $100, for example, and you make $10 in a month, which is 10%, for example, that's just $10, and that's like five. Current exchange rate would be like 5,500 or something like that. So to me, I don't think that's really worth your time, or that can't really take care of much. So like I said, remember I said that your capital determines your expectation. So if you, I think 500 minimum is okay. So you can do 1,000, you can do 2,000, you can do $5,000. Okay, depending on what you really you're looking at making in a month. Then you need to buy the forex robot. Okay, there are a lot of forex robot out there, but we have ours that is tested and trusted over time. Okay, so and that goes for $200. Then you need to get a VPS. A VPS is simply, it's called virtual private server. This is the environment where you set up the robot to be trading 24 hours. Now if you install it on your own personal laptop, whenever you're disconnected from the internet or you shut down your laptop, the robot won't be able to trade. So this VPS is simply, you are buying a computer that is in a cloud, that is connected to the internet 24 hours, so that you install your robot there, you install your account that is funded there, you install the robot inside the account, and everything is working 24 hours. So this is not rocket science. We have videos that can teach you how you can do this step by step, and we also have a team on ground to help you set up in case you want to get your automated trading. So we have a team on ground that will help you set everything up. Now final step is you set up and monitor your trades. So like I said, we have videos on this. We also have a team that can help you set up, and we'll show you how you can monitor your trade, because every business has its risk. Okay, same with forex. Okay, so but to be on the safer side, always go for a low return. Okay, so don't be greedy. If you're greedy, you're increasing your risk. So number one, you go for a low return. Then you should know when there is a volatility in the market, so that you can pause your EA and also manage your trades. So these are what we'll be showing you in when you come on board on this automated trading. We'll have videos and we'll have guide that will show you how this works. Okay, now in case you think I'm just talking just like that, I just want to take time to let me just show you a little proof from one of our accounts that has been running for over 6 months. So I will exit the slide at the moment so that I can show you our accounts. Okay, so you can see here, this is a account with a balance of about this 100,000 USD, but it's actually a cent account. So you can see it here, light for a cent. So this 100,000 in cents is about $8,000. So but when we go to account history, we just want to look at let me go to all history first of all, so that you can see that we've deposited on this account a total of about $1,236 dollars. That's what we've deposited, and we've withdrawn about $700. So that's to know that this is a real account, because you can't withdraw from a demo account. Okay, and what we've made so far generally is about $500. So in about 6 months, let me just scroll up to when we started trading, which is about 21st of I think this should be June, 21st of June. Okay, so in close to like 5 months or thereabouts, we've made about 500 and something dollars from an investment about about $1,200. So which is about close to 40% in 5 months or thereabouts. Come on, that's not bad. That's more like average of 10% every month. That's what we're making so far. So I can even still go and check last 3 months what we've made. So let me just change the history to what we've made for last 3 months. Sorry, I think my internet is kind of slow. Okay, let me just put it at last month. My internet is very slow. Oh, I think I logged that. Okay, just pardon me. Let me refresh my internet so that I can show you this. Okay guys, sorry about that. I think I've been able to kind of restart my network. So let's check what we've made for last 3 months. So as you can see, we've made about $328 for the last 3 months. Like I said, it's about 10%, an average of 10% we make every month. So let me just check for last month. Let's see what we made last month. So you can see we made close to $60, which is quite less than last month. Wasn't that too good month, but we made about 6%, so about $60. So you can see how it works. Then let me also show you something so that you also know that this is traded. So you can see it's traded by our robot here. So you can see Noble Pro there. So this is the robot that is trading. When you check here, this is how you know what is actually trading this account, so that you know that it's traded by a robot. So you can see Noble Pro placed by experts. Okay, so if I come here, these are all running trades. So you can see the same thing here on these running trades. So you can see it here, also placed by the same expert. Now let me just show you something. So let me get let me just bring a new pair UJPY. So let's just place a trade here. Okay, 0.01. So let me place a buy here, just a random trade. Okay, good. So you can see this is just a trade. This is a trade we just placed here now, Euro Gravity. So you can see. So are you seeing this placed manually? Are you seeing it here? So why all these ones are placed by our robot? Okay, so let me just close this trade. So just to give you a proof that we have a robot and a system that is actually working and can give you consistent income every month. Okay, so let's talk about my offer. Okay, I remember I said at the beginning of this video that I'm going to give you a promo if you are able to watch this video to the end. So now this is awesome. I'm giving out 10 copies of our robot for free. 10 copies for our robot worth $200. We're giving it out for free for just the first 10 persons. And how do you qualify? Number one, you have to create a Forex account using our link. Number two, you have to fund that Forex account with a minimum $500 just to be sure you are serious. Then number three steps, you have to contact us. Okay, my number is below this video. All you simply need to do, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me that you want to get started on this. Then I'll be able to tell you how you can go. Now take note, this promo doesn't involve cost of VPS. Okay, you have to buy the VPS yourself. However, the VPS is not very expensive. It's something that costs about probably like between 3 to 5,000 naira every month. Okay, so that's the cost of the VPS. So take note, the step to get this promo, and honestly, this is just for 10 persons. So immediately we'll get the 10 persons, the promo ends. The rest of you have to buy the robot for $200. So the first step is to create a Forex account. Fund the Forex account with a minimum of $500 capital. Then you contact us. There's a button below this video. There's a number. Our number is below this video. You can contact me on WhatsApp. You can give me a call so that we can help you set up your own passive income system. Now, finally, the truth is that earning in dollars in Nigeria currently will put you on an advantage because of the current rise in the dollar in terms of current valuing of the dollar to naira. So if you have a business that pays in dollars, you'll be on an edge because I can tell you, when I funded my Forex account last year, I funded at the rate of I think 400 and something, but the exchange rate currently now is about 550 as I'm making this video. Okay, and that's just with that trading. You have gained, you can see the value of what I deposited has appreciated. So like I said, if you want to earn passive income from Forex, this is the fastest way you can do that. So what you simply need to do, just contact me with the number below this video. If you need training, you want to be a manual trader, you need training, you need mentorship, you need coaching in Forex, you also need other opportunities on how to make money on Forex. I've been in this business for 10 years. I have a lot of ways you can actually become financially free with Forex. Okay, so all you simply need to do, just call me or chat me up and let's talk and let's see how we can be of help to you. Thank you for watching this video. I'm expecting your message. See you at the top.